I'm saying? These to the new generation thugs. The niggas that clap first and call police second. Shooting at niggas and then running the police. Y'all niggas is pussy. When you come to my town, my nigga, we lay niggas like y'all niggas down. Faggot ass niggas. Bottom line is this though. You ask me on weapon of choice. Should speak for itself. You know what I'm saying? This is straight intimidation. This is straight. When I come in, niggas know I mean business, man. You feel me? Nigga see this in his face.
We mean business, baby.
He drops everything.
It's real.
You know what I'm saying? He means it. Everything that we come in for, we want it. You see a nigga like me, you give it up. Cause it ain't worth it.
It's not worth it.
It ain't worth it.
It's not worth it. 50 cows coming at you.